All right, and the time has come for you to write your final college essay. So, clicking on this tab in Schoology, you'll see up here at the top that this is due Sunday night at 9:13. I'm sorry, Sunday 9:13 at 11:59 p.m. So this isn't the normal 11:59 on a Friday. This is Sunday, so you'll have the weekend to kind of finalize this. But by all means, get this done sooner if you'd like to enjoy your weekend. So the instructions are included below. Below, you will find the 7 Common App essay prompts for the 2021 school year. You will choose one prompt to answer with a 650-word limit, right? This means it can be a little bit less, but you don't want it to be any more. 650-word limit. In addition to answering the prompt in your essay, you will copy and paste your chosen prompt at the top of your essay, chunk the prompt by highlighting the separate questions or tasks it is asking you to satisfy. It does not matter what colors you choose. This should be very familiar. We practiced this all last week during the essay mapping exercise. You're going to rewrite the chunks you highlighted as separate questions underneath your prompt. We also did this in the mapping sample essays, right? We had the essay the prompt that we chunked, underneath it, we had that number list, and that's what you're also going to do, right? You're going to break down that in your number list. Say you chunked it to 2 to 3 questions, you're going to have 2 to 3 questions there. However, there should be a minimum of 2 questions on your list. You should have the same number of questions as you do highlighted chunks, but there should be a minimum of 2 no matter what prompt you choose. Then, once you have chunked your prompt, you will highlight the portions of your essay that satisfy each chunk in the corresponding color you have chosen for that specific chunk. So again, going back to your essay mapping exercise, when you mapped their essay, right, what parts of their essay satisfied the prompt above, now you're doing that in your own essay. So what part of your own writing that you highlighted satisfies the prompt and the chunks that you highlighted in the prompt that you're addressing. So now you're mapping your own essay, essentially. In addition to highlighting the chunks in your essay, you will comment, right-click, comment, and explain the significance of your written paragraph in 1 to 2 sentences. So again, just as we did in the essay mapping exercise, you are chunking your prompt, writing down the questions of the parts that you chunked, highlighting the chunks, right? And within your own essay, highlighting the parts of the prompt that you satisfy, right? Those parts of the chunks that correspond to the color. And you are commenting on each paragraph to explain their significance, right? What's the point of them being there? So you are mapping your own essay in addition to writing it. So write it, then map it, right? Don't map as you go. Write the essay and map it. So down here is where all of your, and then finally include the word count at the end of your essay. Just at the very bottom, bold it, 627 words or whatever. So here's all the prompts. There's 7 of them, and you are choosing one, 650 words. Then you're going to click here at the bottom when you're ready to start writing. And that's going to open up the narrative essay. So you're going to copy and paste your prompt here. So let's say I was doing this one, right? Copy that. I would go here, and I would just paste it. Then underneath it, I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to start my number list of how I want to chunk it. So let's say I thought this was the first part of my chunk. Boom. I want to chunk that yellow. Then I'm going to start writing here. And that's how I'm going to chunk that. Then, as you'll see, after I've chunked it, I'm going to begin writing my essay. So it's all you should have on this page is your chunked prompt and then what you are typing in for your answer chunks or your question chunks. And you're going to delete this text and begin writing your essay. So that's what you're going to highlight. You're going to delete and begin writing your essay. But I put a note in here for you. Make sure you write in Times New Roman font, 12 point, and that your essay is double spaced. And then you're going to write that there and then submit it when you're done and put that word count at the bottom. And you're going to make sure to map it, right? You're going to map it according to your colors. Highlight the parts of your essay that correspond here. There's going to be parts of my essay that I'm going to be highlighting yellow that correspond with the accomplishment that I'm discussing. And Each paragraph that you write, you're going to comment on it and in 1 to 2 sentences explain the significance and how it answers the prompt. So you're mapping your own essay in addition to writing it. All right, thanks.